India, a land of immense natural wealth. From the coal mines of Jharkhand to the oil fields of Assam to the solar parks of Rajasthan, our geography gifts us resources that power our lives. But here's a question. Does having resources automatically make a nation rich? Not always. Economists call it the resource curse, when natural wealth becomes a trap instead of a blessing. Why? Because without balance, overuse and greed can destroy what nature takes centuries to build. Take groundwater in Punjab, once the heart of India's green revolution. Years of overpumping water for high-yield crops drained the aquifers faster than nature could refill them. Now, large parts of the state are running dry, a warning that even renewable resources can become non-renewable when misused. Nature has her own rhythm, one of restoration and regeneration. Forests renew themselves, rivers flow, soil replenishes, if we let them. But industrial waste, pollution, and careless farming break this rhythm. The challenge for India and the world is to find the balance between development and sustainability. And we're trying. From organic farming in Sikkim, now 100% organic, to the International Solar Alliance led by India and France, the world is learning from our initiatives. In Sikkim, farmers like Pima transformed barren lands into thriving organic farms, proof that sustainable practices can improve both ecology and economy. And in Rajasthan, the Bhadla Solar Park, one of the largest in the world, now powers 15% of the state's energy needs. This is the future, using technology to respect nature's wisdom. Nature gives generously, but she demands respect. Our role is not just as users, but as stewards, protectors of this shared planet. As the Bhagavad Gita reminds us, Loka Sangraha, act not for yourself alone, but for the welfare of all. Because the true test of civilization is how wisely it uses the gifts of nature.